All right, hello friends. We are working on lesson 2-7. We're going to do traditional multiplication. Now this time we're going to be multiplying 2 digits by 2 digits. This is something that you all should be familiar with, but we're going to keep practicing it. So we're going to say 76 times 24. And we're going to, I'll probably just do the partial on 1 or 2 problems. I probably won't do it on all of them. Just because, like I said, we have students that enjoy the partial quotient multiplication. So we're going to just jump to it. So again, we're going to start with our ones place. 4 times 6 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28, 29, 30. Now we have to drop a 0. We have to put a 0 in that ones place. Now we're going to multiply our tens place. So 2 times 6 is 12. And 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. And now we're going to add these together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 plus 5 is 8. And 1 plus nothing is 1. So we have 1,824. So this should be something that you're all familiar with. Now, if we were to do the partial quotient multiplication, it's going to look a little bit different than what we're used to. So we have a 7 in the tens place. We're going to put a 70 there, and a 6 in the ones place. So we're going to put a 6 there. Okay, so this is like our ones column and our tens column. Okay, and here we have 24. So we're going to put 20. This is like our tens place, and this is our ones place. Okay, so this could be breaking up easier to multiply and then add. So 2 times 7 is 14. And then you're going to add your 2 zeros. And now we're going to say 20 times 6. So 6 times 2 is 12, and we're going to add 1 0. And now we're going to add the 4 and the 70. So 4 times 7 is 28. We're going to add that 1 0. And 6 times 4 is 24. And what we're going to do with all those numbers, we're going to add them up. So again, you need to keep all of your numbers lined up, because place matters in math. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4. 4. 8 plus 2 plus 2. So 8, 10, 12. 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1. Are we right? 1,824. 1,824. Okay? We're going to practice one more, and I feel like I'm kind of rushing through this. So sorry about that. I'll slow down just a little bit. So our next one, I'm going straight off of page 54 in your math journal. We're just jumping right to it. We're not going to beat around the bush. So 31 times 43. 31 times 43. Traditional. Let's go. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. You have to put a 0 in the ones place. 4 times 1 is 4. And 4 times 3 is 12. We're going to add those up. 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 plus 4 is 13, but 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1, 3. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So we get 1,330. All right, I'm going to slow down a little bit. I know I'm going fast. So if we're going to do this in partial quotient multiplication, we're going to draw our box. Again, this is our tens place. This is our ones place. Tens place, ones place. Okay? If you want to put the tens place over there, that's fine. And the ones place over here, that's cool. Whatever works for you, doesn't matter. So we're going to put a 3. So this is worth 30. So we're going to put 30 in the tens place. And that's just worth 1 in the ones place. The 4 is worth 40. So here's our tens place. And the 3 is worth 3. Now, sorry friends, sorry, 31, 43, sorry about that. I just had to draw in those boxes, just had to do it, had to write in them. All right, so 4 times 3 is 12. How many zeros are we going to add? 2. 40 times 1 is 40. 3 times 3 is 9. Add a 0. So 3 times 30 is 90. And 3 times 1 is 3. We're going to add these up. 1,200 plus 40 plus 90 plus 3. So we get 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 is 3. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 4 plus 9 is 13. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 1 plus nothing is 1. So 1,330. Oh, 1,333. All right, the next two, we're just going to do, well, I may have told a fib and I didn't know it. All right, 26 times 16. All right, old-fashioned. Let's go. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 2 is 12. 13, 14, 15. We've got to bring our 0 down. Put the 0 in the ones place. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. Let's add those up. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So we get 416. There's the old-fashioned way. Our partial quotient, we're going to practice this one more time. Let's draw our box. We have a 2 in the tens place, so that's worth 20. We have a 6 in the ones place, that's worth 6. We have a 1 in the tens place, so that's worth 10. And we have a 6 in the ones place, that's worth 6. Let's multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. Add your 2 zeros. So 10 times 20 is 200. 1 times 6 is 6. Add your 0 is 60. 6 times 2 is 12. Add your 0. So 6 times 20 is 120. And 6 times 6 is 36. Let's add those up. 200 plus 120 plus 60 plus 36. 6 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 6 plus 3 plus 2 is 11. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. 416. 416. All right. I want you all to practice the next one on your own. 87 times 46. Okay? If you want to do the partial quotient, great. Practice your partial quotient. If you want to practice your old-fashioned, practice the old-fashioned. On the math box, I want you all to do the math box on your own. Page 55. So you're going to be exponential notation. So if you were to write that out, how many zeros are going to put after the 8? And then standard form and exponential notation. So you're going to be switching those back and forth. Find the volume, multiply, and for a bonus, if you want to answer number 5 for a bonus, extra credit. Extra credit for number 5. Go for it. All right, that is all. Y'all take care, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.